Children, welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to take the class for 5th standard. In this video we are going to study that is the lesson that is community games. What is meant by community? What is meant by community? A group of people living in the same place is called community. What is meant by games? Games means what? Games means activity. Games means activity. Which type of games? Example, cricket, kabaddi, hockey. There are the group games. Okay children, see here, community games. The community has given rise to game to relax and spend free time. People have made games a means. Games build the relationship among individual in a community. It provides an opportunity for elders and younger of the community to play together. Game are nothing but activity that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercise. This has definitely increased the hormones in the community by being responsible for all the play and enjoy together. Okay, see here, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday to school. You are in a holiday mood. How will you expend your time on a holiday? See here, I will return here. Wake up late, playing, watching TV, going to friends or relatives, home helping to parents, gardening, and also you will do craft or artwork. Okay children, isn't it? Okay. Here, then observe the list given below. Pick the use of games for the list and write. Okay, here some observation you have to observe and write here. Happiness, cooperation, all the trees, physical exercise, friendship. Okay, observe the picture. These people do this every day without fail. What are the peoples doing in this picture? See here, what are they doing? The people doing yoga, isn't it? Yoga is very useful for the mental ability and also useful for physical and relaxation of mind. Okay, then gym. See in this picture, the second picture is gym. The gym provide physical fitness. It's help to physical fitness. See here children, in this picture people are dancing. In this picture boys are playing football. Physical and mental health will develop it if game, yoga and physical exercise are done upper need regular. The body will be strong and the weight of the body can be maintained. The body will also look beautiful if it has a good physical structure. We can be active and happy always, and games give entertainment and happiness. Okay. Okay, see here, only we benefit from games. National and international games help to build friendship and cooperation with other states and countries, which helps to improve the bond between different countries. Write the name of a few international games. Okay, I will return here. You also write here. Cricket, boxing, basketball, long jump, football. Okay, here stick the picture of India playing and game with another country. Okay, you have to stick here pictures. See this picture, choose the name from the list given below and write. Okay, here given his names, you have to choose and write here. Okay, see here, in this picture rock climbing, here sky driving, then river rafting, mount cycling, here mountaineering. Okay, you have to write in the space, you have to write the names. Okay, see here children, here are given a few pictures of a native adventure games. Write the names here. Okay, See here in this picture, lifting stone. Here, see here, this is stone, lifting stone. Okay, here, joint wheel. Joint wheel. Pull the rope. Here, rope are pulling. Here, pull the rope. You have to write here, pull the rope. Okay, here, drizzling. You have to write here, drizzling. Here, see in this picture, Malakamba. You have to write here, Malakamba. In this picture, see here, you have to write here, boat racing. Here, collect and write the details of any one adventure games. Okay, here, cycling and mountaineering. Cycling and mountaineering. Here, see here, lifting stone. L-I-F-T-I-N-G, lifting, S-T-O-N-E-S, stones. You have to write here, lifting stones. Joint wheel, J-O-I-N-T-W-H-E-E-L, joint wheel. Pulling the rope, P-U-L-L, pull the rope, R-O-P-E, rope. Okay, drizzling, W-R-E-S-E-L-L-I-N-G, drizzling. Here, Malakamba, M-A-L-L-A-K-A-M-B-A, Malakamba, you have to write here. Okay, boat race, B-O-A-T-R-A-C-I-N-G, boat racing. Okay. Okay, miss, write the name of the few international games. Write the name of the few international games. Okay, cricket, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Boxing, B-O-X-I-N-G, boxing. Basketball, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket, B-A-L-L, ball. L-O-N-G, long, J-U-M-P, jump, long jump. F-O-O-T, foot, B-A-L-L, ball, football. Okay, see here, yoga. Yoga is the very useful for the mental ability and also useful to physical and relaxation of mind. Yoga is very useful for the mental ability and also useful to physical and relaxation of mind. Then gym. The gym helps to physical fitness. Okay. Okay children, I hope you can understand this community games. Okay, thank you.